What if this pump fires on all cylinders? I'm afraid the skies are going to get a mud bath. As the digger's arm dips down, first the agitator is dipped into the mud and then it begins to churn like crazy. The machine hissed, and finally it dipped into the mud pit, and after a brief silence, there was an unstoppable eruption, a surging column of water that shot up into the sky. Subsequently, in the gravity of the tearfall, mud constantly smashed into the ground, or pouring rain, pouring down in front of our light child.